Find the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4 over x minus 2. You know that if I were to just take 2 and plug it in, I'd get 0 over 0, and that's problematic. But what we also see is upstairs, you have a difference of squares. So if I were to factor the difference of squares out, that gets me x plus 2, x minus 2 over x minus 2. The x minus 2's cancel. Drop down the limit as x approaches 2 of x plus 2, and now you're good to go. Plug in 2, you get 2 plus 2 equals 4, and there's your guy. So what happened is you had a hole in this problem, and at the hole it's undefined if at that moment 2, but the hole exists at 4. So once we did a little bit of factoring and we found that out, we're good to go because the left and the right side match up. Everything is okay. You just do a little bit of factoring and you're fine.